Okay, buffalo chicken fries. The first thing we gotta do is make some buffalo ketchup, but they don't sell buffalo ketchup, so we gotta make it. And if you think making your own ketchup is pretentious, go get fucked. Alright, to start this off, we need 6 ounces of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of hot sauce, any hot sauce you want, 2 tablespoons of water, a half a teaspoon of salt, a fourth of a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, followed by 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. And then basically after you've gotten all your spices and of course decide to fuck up and add a little bit extra salt, you've seen that, then you just want to stir this around until everything is pretty much mixed together. Put a lid on top and place it into the fridge for at least an hour before you make everything else. Okay, let's make our buffalo chicken. Basically, you just want to take a cup of leftover chicken, chop it up into small pieces. Doesn't really matter which part of the chicken. And just keep adding buffalo sauce till your chicken is well coated. Okay, let's move on to final assembly. You see I've got some waffle fries in a shallow bowl, or bowl/plate, whatever. And here I'm just adding some buffalo chicken on top of that. Add as much or as little as you like. Had to take a little break there, wash my hands, and then you just want to add some shredded Colby Jack cheese to the top, and then either pop it into an oven on a very low heat or into the microwave for a couple of minutes. I chose the microwave option. Okay, and after about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, depending on your microwave, this is what you should be looking for. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, we had that ketchup we made from earlier. And that's it. Buffalo chicken fries. Done. Perfect little thing. The game's coming on. You got something to do, assuming sports survive. Or you got a new video game coming out, you want a little snack. And by the way, this ketchup is good on a whole lot of other shit. So yeah, buffalo chicken fries. Done.